Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this Snow White Pearl 2018 Kia Sorento. This Sorento is very well maintained. It is a local Alberta vehicle. It comes in the SXL trim with a 3.3 liter V6 engine. It has a power tailgate with a second set of tires. This Kia has a full leather interior with heated and cooled leather seats, a huge display screen, has just over 57,000 kilometers. On your display screen you have navigation, Bluetooth, and a rear view camera. It has heated and cooled leather seats for the front seats. It has power folding mirrors. It has heated steering wheel. It has adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning. And you can fold those rear seats down for even more storage. Thank you very much for watching this video. Come on down to maclinford.com to come see more. Thank you very much. Have a great day.